Let's move on to ordinals. While enums can also have disjoint values, it should not be used for any other reason than compatibility with C, because it breaks the idea that enums are ordinal. Can also have disjoint values. Okay. So for direction in ordinal of the smallest, I guess the first element of compass directions to the last element of compass directions. Okay, so we can call low and high on the type compass directions, and that will give us the first and last. Fancy. And it's a range. So from here to there. So I guess ranges work also. Oh, because it's ordinal. So we'll just give it indexes. So we can say echo compass direction, and we take that number to give it the number, which I guess it will be kind of like index, and what number that is. Okay, so that will print out basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something. So it's pure, this one's pure 2, we save it, and when we run it, we get, the name of it, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we called here, this is 0 for the first one, the lowest, and we call compass directions and 0, it will just give that as that thing, and by default that will be a value. Okay, and then we have the ordinal type of low of integer. That will be smallest integer, and we can increase it and decrease it, and we can echo the highest value for the character. Why is that here? Because we do increase and decrease on ordinal. That's fine, but we are not using the value anywhere. Okay, I guess this is just to show that we can increase and decrease value of something. Okay, and the highest of character will just return the last character, I guess. Because enums are ordinals, they have the low, high, increment, decrement, and ordinal methods defined, where low gives the lowest possible value, high gives the highest possible value, increment increments, DC decrements, or D gives the integer value of the enum. Compass directions is a cast that gives the enum from an integer. Okay. Plain and simple. It is also possible to iterate through all possible values of ordinal enums, either as shown above or from this to this, which is equivalent. Oh, okay. Because CD North has value of 0, while CD West has value of 3. So we'll just go for it. Okay. Same thing here. And signal quit was what, the last one? No, that's not the last one. Okay, but this one is 3, this one is 6, this one is 9. So this wouldn't do much. Signals is not an ordinal type, and so doesn't have the increment and decrement procedures. Wait, signals isn't? Because we specified those values? So I guess this code just wouldn't work, right? If we paste it here, save it, it's fine. When true, save. Oh, wow. When it was false, it just ignores the compiler, completely ignores the whole chunk of code. Oh, because when, that's compile time. Okay. And now it says expression inc non-ordinal expected one of the first mismatch positions. So it was basically expecting the ordinal type. But because we have those value sets explicitly, it's not an ordinal type anymore. Okay. Can we do ordinal of that? Save. Now it'll be fine because we converted into integer specifically. So single quit will be echo. We do quit and we just give the non-ordinal. Save. Now says it's 3. The other one, abort will. Okay. So they have those values attached. It's just, you can't iterate over it. You can't just increment, decrement. Okay. So that's only if we don't have values. Alrighty, so if I will remove that again to bring it back to normal, what it was, right? Now it's complaining about that, but if I would remove this and that, now it works because only one of them specifies as number 3. What if we'll say that, number 3. Can I iterate over them? Let's say from signal quit to signal upkill. That should iterate over all of them. And instead of that, will be signals. And whatever direction or something, and ordinal will be that. Save. Suspicious code enum to enum conversion. Wait, what? Enum to enum conversion. Yeah. Oh, because this gives a signal, not the actual thing. So we do this here. Let's just rename it signal, right? And we do OR D. So when we run that, should signal this and that. So that means that they want 3, 4, 5. What if I'll change the declaration from declaring this one to be 3, but this one will be 2, 3, 4? No, now it's like, I have no clue what. Ha. So we can define only the first one as some kind of value, like 300, and it's fine. Okay, 300, 301, 302. But if we'll define it somewhere in the second or last one, it will be like, no, I have no idea what I'm supposed to assume here. Okay, makes sense. What if I'll make it as 3.5? Huh, won't go through. Okay, makes sense. We learned something. Okay, so that's it when it comes to enums.